Hey guys, okay, today I'm going to be doing quick burps, short quick burps, because people keep constantly asking me to do them, so I guess I'll do them. Just quick, fast burps. Okay, so that was like some, I don't know, I'll do more. Okay, those are my quick fast burps. That was a smallish, medium-ish burp. So, yeah, okay. So, if you want, comment down below ideas for me to do. I will do them. I just need to sort them out, which order I will do them in. So yeah, comment below ideas, words you want me to say while burping. Yeah. If you want to email me, my email is gingereverything25@gmail.com. Okay. Bye.